establishing the largest solar production plant in Afghanistan. Simultaneously with the increasing use of solar systems for electricity generation, the largest solar production factory in Herat Industrial City has increased its production. Etemad Solar Production Company is the largest solar producer in Afghanistan. The devices in this factory have no analogues in neighboring countries such as Iran, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, and Tajikistan. Solar panels are produced with international standards and a 25-year warranty. The factory's manager, Wahidullah Boramand, says that it produces more than 300 solar panels daily, which are transported throughout the country and sold in all provinces. The Etemad Manufacturing Company in Herat produces nearly hundreds of solar panels daily, each with a capacity of up to 650 watts. The company's officials say that they produce solar panels that are competitive in quality with companies in the region. According to them, more than $5 million have been invested in this factory. Wahidullah Boramand, the general manager of the solar panel manufacturing company in Herat, says in this regard, "The main goal is for us to create jobs, and the second goal is to start companies in this country that are a basic necessity." Ghulam Rasul Haidari, head of the technical department of the solar panel production company in Herat, also said, "The devices inside this factory are not available even in our neighboring countries such as Iran, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, and Tajikistan." Mr. Haidari added, "Regarding the quality of the solar panels we produce, they are manufactured with a 25-year warranty in accordance with national and international standards. This factory has already been able to meet the needs of the Herat market and 19 other provinces." Meanwhile, the Ministry of Industry and Trade has repeatedly emphasized the use of domestic products. Mohammadsrwry Dinparwar, head of the International Trade Department of the Ministry of Industry and Trade, has said, "Until we ourselves make changes in our existence, no one will change our situation." For the growth of industry and economy, the Afghan industry plays a very important role. Currently, more than 200 factories are active in the Herat Industrial City. Most of these manufacturers are trying to supply quality goods to the market.